Hello, everyone! As I have mentioned in product hunting criteria for new markets that tools usually do not provide accurate information. So, in order to estimate the daily sales of a competitor, we have adopted another excellent method. We will be using Helium 10 Extension Inventory Level tool to calculate the daily sales. Another best tool which provides accurate result is Online Seller Add-on extension. This extension is 100% free and you can download it easily on Chrome. I have installed both the extensions, so let's do the practical then. Let's say I want to estimate the sales of this top seller. Open the listing. Scroll down and from Product Information, click on the subcategory, which in our case is Whisk. Here we have best sellers in this category. The first one has a BSR of 1, which means this seller has maximum number of sales. Seller having BSR 2 has less number of sales than the seller with BSR 1. Identify the seller whose sales you want to estimate. Here we have it with BSR number 7. Open it. Run the H10 extension and click on Inventory Levels. Also run the add-on extension. Don't worry, you can use either one of these. Both will display same results and both are accurate. But one benefit with Helium 10 extension is that it can display limit by seller. If the seller put a limit, then we will not be able to estimate the sales. Have a look here. The first one in Helium 10 extension is our competitor, rest are Me Too sellers. Helium 10 shows the seller has put a max limit. Hence, we are unable to estimate sales of this seller. So, what to do then in this case? Don't worry, we have a simple solution. Move back. We will try to calculate the sales of BSR 8. Let's assume after estimating, this seller having BSR 8 has 12 sales per day, so it is obvious that seller with BSR 7 have larger sales count. It may be 13, 14, 15 sales per day. We just have to get an idea about the sales to confirm that customers are really buying the product we are going to sell or not. I have checked this seller and it has also put up a limit. So, let's move on to the next seller with BSR number 9. Here we have 3 size variations. Fortunately, this seller has not put a limit. We have to calculate the daily sales of each size in order to calculate exact count of sales of this seller. Run the add-on or Helium 10, whichever you want. Count the stock of each size. Make an Excel sheet like this. Here I have a column of stock and sales. Note the stock daily at the same time for 10 days and put it in Excel sheet. Now when you come again next day, and let's say when you check the stock, it was like 37, 68, 60. So when we minus the stock level, we will get per day sale. Add the sales of all 3 size variations. So this seller has 27 sales per day. Repeat the process for 10 days and take the average in order to get the exact daily sales. Hence, in short, use add-on or Helium 10 inventory level tool to estimate sales. But always remember to calculate the sales of each size variation, and if there are Me Too sellers. Count the sales of each seller and then add them up. Hope now you have a clear idea how to estimate the daily sales. Throughout this course, we've demonstrated how to find and evaluate products for starting your own business on Amazon. We've outlined the tools and techniques that will help you get started to creating a successful Amazon business. This concludes the Product Hunting and Data Evaluation course. I hope that you have enjoyed it. Now it's time to put these strategies to use. Go out there and find some products and start selling on Amazon today.